Yes. Should I start the discussion? Am I audible to the participants and the organizers?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to explain, I'm going to explain the annotation feature of the Zoom. In this, what we can do, so there is a tool for annotation. So here, different color options are available. I request the participants to kindly put your microphones on the mute. Yeah. So in this case, uh, I faced a lot of difficulties in the beginning for explaining engineering drawing, but later on I will show you that how this annotation feature helps us. So I had to show that how the Baljinder Singh ji, Mr. Baljinder Singh. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So suppose in engineering drawing, I want to draw something for the students, and there are a number of options. I can reduce the width of the line. I can draw the different lines over here, right? So it will be helpful to the mechanical engineers. And for drawing the top view, different options are available. You have to hold shift, press the control that is applicable here, undo for making the last action undo. So I'm going to draw different things. I can move different drawn things on the screen like this. So whatsoever you want to do, the zoom annotation feature make it very easy that I could get so much satisfaction while delivering the online lecture that so this is normally we do in the engineering drawing. We divide this. This line is small and I need to extend it. It is very easy to extend, or it is very easy to move anywhere on the screen. So this is like this. Now, again, if I have to tilt this cone, or we can draw the different lines on the other sides also. Let me draw. Yes. So these are the features which will make your I have seen the performance of the students, of my students who studied engineering drawing from me. So there was a lot of satisfaction among the students once I used to ask the question in the private chat. Right. So if I used to ask the questions on the private chat, so you can decrease or increase the width of the thickness of the lines. You have to tilt it like this. So it will be tilted and you can draw the another cone. In the similar way, you can draw each and everything over here. So engineering drawing, which I used to find it very difficult that how to explain it to the students on the in the online mode. So by making struggle, by making different efforts, by searching out the options which are available in the Zoom, so I could get a number of options in this. You can draw the rectangles here. Okay. You can move the rectangles, right? If you want to erase something out of this, you can simply press Ctrl Z. The last action will be undone automatically. And suppose I want to explain that how the engine works. In that case, I can draw this one. Okay. After this, I can draw the piston over here with some other color, like this. Okay. Then I can show the animation. Now I could see that I cannot get these kinds of features on the blackboard or whiteboard in the live lecture delivery. Means in the face-to-face lecture delivery, in the offline lecture delivery. These kinds of features are making the whole concept very easy. That if I have to explain that once suction is there, the gases will enter into the cylinder, right? Once compression is there, so what will happen? The whole of the gases will be compressed and combustion will start over here. And after that, it will move down. That is the power stroke. Then the gases will leave out from here. So whatsoever is the content you are having, either you are an English teacher or you are a science teacher or you are a electronics teacher. So whatsoever the field you are working in, you can make your lecture delivery very, very effective. Suppose you need a little space over here, you can move the whole diagram to some other place like this, and you start explaining your concept over here. So the things are very, very simple. Things become very, very easy. Number of options are there. You can draw the diamond kind of shape over here. You can draw the arrows here. You can draw the filled circle here. Okay. Now there is one more feature. Whatsoever you have written, you want to highlight that, then you can use this feature. Then this is highlighted like this. I can use some other color as well here. That this is the boundary of the cone. This was the. Now I have drawn the line, but it is semi-transparent. Right. It means whatsoever is drawn in the background, it is visible to me still. So through these kinds of features, I can make my lecture delivery very, very effective, right? Now coming to the last part of my lecture, so I'll be erasing each and everything from here. And moreover, one thing more. Suppose if you want to ask me something, can I request anyone to annotate on the screen? Just move your finger on the screen. Just move your finger on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Anywhere on the screen, if you're using it on mobile. Some pencil-like option would be there. You have to just press on that. Yeah. So if your student want to point at some of the features, so I say that where is the vertex? I ask my student where is the vertex? Then they can directly point on their screen itself. Sir, this is the vertex, right? So it is in your hand. Suppose students are not they are mischievous or they are drawing anything they like to draw on the screen. You want to stop that? Then there is a simple option: disable annotation for others. Now try to draw this once again. Are you able to draw it over here?
No, sir.
No. It means teacher is having the full control. You can or cannot allow your students to draw it on the screen, right? So whatsoever is the drawn here, so the control is in your hands. So in this way, you can make your lecture delivery very, very effective. Actually, I was not delivering this lecture in the form of a lecture itself. I am just sharing my experiences, that how I could get very good feeling during this online lecture delivery in this pandemic mode, in this pandemic, that I could get a very good satisfaction of the students. So once I just now met with the students, they visited the campus. I used to ask the students that what is your experience of attending the online classes? Then they said, sir, it is wonderful. We got everything at our home itself, on our mobile screen itself. So even in some of the subjects, I could show the number of animations over here. Okay, so that made my overall lecture delivery very, very effective. Now I'm moving ahead to the last part of the lecture. That is online tools for converting the teaching content into digital form. Now, this light must be creating a lot of disturbance in your eyes, the white background. Look at this, right? So you need to be very careful. Try to use the black background. So that will give the soothing effect to the students. You will be becoming very cautious. You will be taking care of the health of the students in parallel. So these are very, very small points which need to be taken into care. Now, what the problem I faced, I had a complete subject, a number of chapters are there, but all the chapters are in the form of books or my notes or like that. So I had to get the content in the digital form. I cannot put the book in my presentation itself. So I need to get the content in the digital form. There were two techniques. One was typing. कि मैं बैठूं उसको टाइप करूं सारा बैठ के. It was very, very difficult. So now again it depends on my typing speed, how much good typist I am, right? Second, you can get help of the online tools. So the online tools which I am going to share among all the participants, it is a wonderful. I need to stop my sharing. I will be sharing the another screen of my. Let me open that. Then I will start sharing the screen. I'm just sharing my screen with all the participants. Just hold on. So I have shared my screen. Is it visible to all? Yes. Is it visible screen?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, thank you. You must be looking at my Google Drive. Is it visible, Google Drive?
Yes, sir.
Now I am changing the screen. You must be looking into a folder. Setup 1, setup 2, sample dot. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Without
So now I want to show that suppose this is one image. This is one image which I can open in. Oh my God, I need to share one more screen. Just hold on. Yeah. Are you able to read the content written in the Hindi and English as well? May I request the participants, please? The content written in Hindi, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Without
okay.
visible.
So this is my file in which I am having the content in English as well as in Hindi. Okay. So in this case, I want to get this content into digital format. Now here I cannot make any changes over here. So for this, what I will do, I will simply go to my folder where this file is lying. This is the file sample doc. You can see here the name sample doc paint, right? So this is the file which is visible in my folder sample doc. What I need to do, I have to simply drag this file and take it to my Google Drive. Let us see. I will be dragging this file to my Google Drive. I have uploaded this file. You can see the progress of uploading. The file has got uploaded. One upload complete sample doc. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now, this is the PNG file, means this is image file. What next I need to do, I have to simply click over here, make a right click and go to the open with the docs. I have to simply open the document with docs. Yeah, I have opened the same file in the docs, but here again you will find that it is an image file. But what miracle you can see on the next page, you can see here, it has automatically got converted into the text which can be changed. So it is a wonderful feature which is available to us free of cost by Google. So I hope most of the people might not have used this feature. Have you used this feature earlier? No response. Chalo, anyhow, so this is what we got. So here you can copy the content, you can keep it, you can make any changes over here, whatsoever you want to do. Means the image file you got directly into editable format. So this is a wonderful tool. Actually, it is very, very helpful for the other language teachers. Means who are teaching Hindi, who are teaching Punjabi, or it is also available for the other languages as well, right? So this is a wonderful feature of Google, through which we can simply get the content in the digital form. So this is all about the lecture on based upon my experiences regarding the online lecture delivery, and whatsoever the experiences I have shared. These are my true experiences. Whatsoever the problems I faced, I shared among all the participants, and I hope it might be useful to all the participants. Thank you so much for the patient listening. Thank you. Now over to the organizer.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful and very interactive session for today. These are related to our interactive and very modern teaching skills and environment. These are the very important for us in this pandemic time. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much, sir, for being
Thank you,
with us.
ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. so much.
Thank you, Dr. Jindal, for your nice presentation. And please keep in touch with me for future, please.
Sure, sure. So, Dr.
Thank you,
Harinder,
sir.
sorry,
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I misspelled your name in the beginning. I called you as Mr.
No
Harinder
issues,
Singh.
no
I
issues,
think.
sir. No issues,
I'm
no
extremely
issues.
sorry for that.
It was our first interaction.
Yeah, sure.
Please keep in touch.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
So nice of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Ma'am, should I end the meeting? I think you can start from your end itself.
Okay, sir. Okay. You can leave the meeting, sir. Thank you so
I'm
much
going
for
to
joining.
end the meeting. Yeah, it will be going to end for all the participants. So I think you need to other participants will have to join from the previous link because this meeting was started by me.
Thank you so much for joining with us today.
Thank
Thank
you.
you all
Thank you.
participants being here.